Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix iPhone when Siri won't stop talking. If Siri won't stop talking, it's usually due to voice feedback or accessibility settings. It can also be triggered by accidental activation or headphone controls. You can stop it immediately and adjust settings to prevent it from happening again. To begin, say Hey Siri, stop to interrupt the Siri. Then press the side button once to stop Siri manually. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap Siri in search and select Siri responses. Set spoken responses to only when needed, or prefer silent responses. Now go back to Siri in search, then turn up Listen for Hey Siri if it activates too often. Then disable press side button for Siri if accidental triggers occur, if there's any. Now go to Settings, Accessibility, tap VoiceOver, and make sure it is turned off. Restart your iPhone, then test Siri again to confirm it behaves normally. Tip: if Siri keeps activating through headphones, check your earphones button controls or try a different pair. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.